What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So just taking a look at Polygon today, and as we can see, still in that massive coil that we did see here. We have seen that breakout and the back test, and now today getting another nice little move to the upside here, breaking through that $1.80 level that we have been looking to target and break through. In yesterday's video we did say that this was a good target, and it does look as though we have actually broken through this, and we would be targeting, you know, that 0.78 level at around 195 beyond this now that we've broken it. You can see quite clearly this is a textbook breakout back test of a chart formation here. Big coiling motion for a long time, huge consolidation. We get the breakout, we come down, we back test perfectly on that previous resistance as support, looking very bullish indeed. You can see here, breakout, back test to the exact cent pretty much, and then we do get the pickup off the bottom here. We retest the 618 as support, looking for that next Fibonacci level, and you can see we have started to move on our way up towards that today. If we just take a look at the past few days on the hourly time frame, you can see we come down, we sweep that low of the 618, we come down, get overextended, we come back up again, come down again for that big bullish divergence on the RSI there. We actually come down and fully touch that trend line, that previous resistance flipped into support as we said. We come back up again, we retest the 618 here twice, perfectly as support. So you can see we're making higher high, higher low, and then we come up, we make that higher high again, higher low, and then another higher high. So clearly reversing the trend that we've been in for a while here, breaking out of some of these downwards patterns that we have seen. Polygon looking pretty strong in the face of all this Bitcoin adversity that we've been seeing. And now looking as though, you know, Polygon's basically coming up. It's broken out of that key level at 180 that we were talking about, that swing high. That's here, you can see it quite clearly. That has been a resistance for a good while. It was flipped into support, but then back into resistance. We come down, we come back up, and now that we're breaking out of it, looking very good. It does look as though we are potentially getting some bearish divergences here. You can see the price action coming up, the RSI coming down, so we may see a little bit of a retracement back into this area here, in and around that 170 to 180 area, in between those levels before continuation. But overall, Polygon, we'd say, looking pretty good, picking up off that local bottom right now. We're probably not expecting Polygon to roll over any more than this, with Bitcoin looking as though it's got so many bullish divergences that the chances of it rolling over are getting smaller and smaller. And, you know, the more that Bitcoin does roll over in the face of that weakening trend to the downside, we're probably going to see a really nice reversal and rip to the upside. And you can see with Bitcoin pumping today, Polygon's, you know, started to benefit nicely from that. So we'd say here, things looking really good. Polygon basically picking up nicely off the 618 here, swept the lows, and now it looks as though we are starting to see that kind of curved bottom like this. We could come down, retest again, and get the pickup like this. That perfect sweep of the lows and then continuation. So as we said, short-term price predictions, if we roll over here with this bearish divergence, it could be quite likely in the short term that we do. We could come back down to this swing high area of previous resistance here, flip back into support. You can see support, resistance, back into support, come back down, double bottom back test this area at around 167 to 170. That would be a really nice outcome with this bearish divergence, come down and then get the bounce to the upside. And then if we're moving to the upside, as we said, we are targeting that 0.78 level at that $1.95 to $2 range. We do want to reclaim $2. That's a big psychological target. That's a big point of resistance currently as well. We do want to see that reclaimed, flipped into support, and then marching on towards the all-time high. And then, as we always say, beyond that, we really do think that Polygon, really top quality project, getting a lot, you know, it's going under the radar a lot recently, with a lot of other layer 1s and layer 2s catching the spotlight. Solana and Avalanche, for example, at the minute stealing the show. But we do think with some more DeFi on Polygon, we could easily be looking at $10 for this crypto, because its demand is going to go absolutely through the roof. You can see the all-time high, $2.70. So we do think $5 to $10 very reasonable. And that $10 price target that a lot of people are looking for could be very possible with more DeFi on the protocol. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.